Wie ist das Wetter? Okay, how can we answer that question? How can we describe the weather? Again, we're not going to say the name of the season. We're going to say whether it is hot, it is cold, it is sunny, it's raining, and so on. So here, if you want to write that down, so it's got to practice, always got to practice in languages to write down words and sentences. So we want to say that it is hot, for example. You're going to say es ist, which means it's equal to the English it is, okay? Ist is the verb here, and pay attention that in German language, we put the verb, we place the verb in the sentence in place to. Always comes in place to in the sentence, the verb, okay? So you can switch, you can start with like a time phrase or something. You don't have to start with the subject all the time or the pronoun. It could be the subject, but always remember that the verb has to be in place too. And we will practice that together in another video. So, es ist heiß, es ist heiß, it is hot, es ist kalt, it is cold. Again, what's the question for that? Wie ist das Wetter? You can answer, es ist heiß, es ist kalt. Or we can say, the weather is nice, it's nice today, es ist schön, es ist schön, es ist schön. Okay, schön means here nice, the weather is nice, it's okay. We can say also, es ist sonnig, es ist sonnig, sonnig, es ist sonnig, okay? Which means, what do you think? Sonnig is the adjective that comes from the word, the noun Sonne. Die Sonne is the sun. Okay, so die Sonne is the sun, and sonnig means sunny. Okay, es ist frostig, frostig. Es ist frostig, frostig. What do you think frostig would be in English? Yes, frosty. The weather is frosty. It is frosty. Es ist frostig, frostig. Sehr gut. So this is also, this word is cognate. Okay. What do you think of that one? So look at the picture and try to figure out from the picture. Yeah, cloudy. Es ist wolkig. So pay attention in German, the W, okay? So we call it V, okay? So it is pronounced V, V, V. This is the sound of the letter W in German. It's not W, it's not wolkig, it's wolkig, wolkig, wolkig. Okay, so wie ist das Wetter? Es ist wolkig. Es ist neblig, 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 neblig. Neblig means foggy. Okay, es ist neblig. Es ist windig, 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 which means windy. Es regnet, es regnet, es regnet. Okay, so it is raining, es regnet, es regnet. Now, there's a difference here on the sentence. So we say es ist, but now we're saying es regnet because regnet here is actually the verb it is not an adjective. Okay, so when we say it is heiß, heiß here is hot, which is an adjective, so we can say it is hot. Okay, but es regnet is equals to when we say in English, for example, it rains. Okay, so regnet here is the verb. So we're not gonna say es ist regnet. Okay, this is gonna be falsch. This is gonna be wrong. Okay, we say es regnet. Okay, because we have in German es regnen is the verb here. We don't need to use the verb to be, or which is in German verb sein, which is ist. Okay, so pay attention to that. We don't say es ist regnet, we say es regnet. Okay, if you want to use the adjective, which means that the weather is rainy, okay, which is means in English the word rainy, you can use the adjective regnerisch. Regnerisch is the adjective from the verb regnen, which means that the weather is rainy. Okay. Here, es schneit. Schneit is a verb. So es schneit means it is snowing, okay, or it snows. So schneit is a verb here. We don't need to use ist, because ist is a verb, like verb to be in English. We use it because when you say it is heiß, heiß here is an adjective. Okay, it's limited, it is, and then we put the adjective after. Okay, but schneit here is a verb. So es schneit, it snows, and it comes from the noun Schnee, which means snow. Es donnert und blitzt. Es donnert und blitzt. Now, in German language, we have this, and the expression, we say it together because normally we have thunder and lightning together. So the Germans would say es donnert und blitzt, which means there's thunder and lightning. Okay, so es donnert und blitzt. Es donnert und blitzt.